web together, right? Move the water here. If your foot is pointed down, are you going to move water? No. So what?
All right, Kai's going to get a lesson how to use short fins.
When you're kicking, right? Come here. See how pointed behind us, it moves the water. Yes? See that? But if you point them down, am I moving it? No, right? So you're here, always pointing here. Okay, boom, boom. You're using your whole leg, not just your knees, okay? Whole leg, so look, you're lifting from here. Okay, yeah. So you can lay on your bed at home and just kick with your whole leg. Okay, that will help your kick. Okay, because what happens is when you're putting your fins up, you're trying to push back. That's why you're not going anywhere. That's why I asked you if they were too big. Okay, so they should be tight, but they shouldn't hurt. Okay, short fin is going to help build, make you stronger, your muscles stronger. The long fins help fix your kick. So if you're kicking incorrectly, that's what the long fins are for. Okay, yeah? So it catches on the bed. You can put your fins on, make sure, Dad, making sure his feet are pointed.
Okay.
Right? Because then when I turn to breathe, what happens? What do I do? What's my foot going to do? It's going to go, so it goes here, or does it go here? Here, exactly. Move the water. Here, I don't move any water, I get stuck. See that? You're always moving the water. Water's always pushing against you, you got to push back. Yes? Does that make sense? Good job, bud. Now it's all wet.
Yeah, you're carrying it, not me.
No. Those are your fins, your responsibility. Just like your goggles and your cap are your responsibilities, not Dad's.
The caps help. What do caps help with?
They help you make you go faster.
They do?
They do.
How?
Because the water, you're more aerodynamic, right? Where are you fastest, do you know? Are you fastest underwater or on top of the water?
On top of the one?
Underwater in a tight streamline, right? So when you're here versus here, you're faster. Okay, that's why we streamline at the beginning. Yeah, okay, does that make sense? So the cap, it's just like you would have no hair. That's kind of what, you know.
So it goes away more easily.
So the water goes, yes.
Like
yes.
if you're bold.
Exactly.
Now, does the caps cover the ears?
They do, yeah.
Oh.
So the seam runs, a lot of the boys want to wear them this way. With the seam this way, the seam goes in front. So the seam goes from here to here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, if it's sideways, it'll feel a little weird. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yes.
Coach Kung.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. Practice at home, okay?
Give Coach high fives. When she's up.
Here, high five. I'm coming back over here with some 11, 12s.
Thank you, Coach.
No problem.
Now he knows.